or thinking you have cause. Nobody calls you. Because sometimes you start asking yourself so many questions. What is going on? What is going on? Confusion all over your life.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh? You are not caused.
Yes, sir.
And whenever you want to pray, don't call anybody's name.
Yes, sir.
Stop calling a particular name.
Yes, sir.
If he is monitoring you.
Yes, sir.
He is not monitoring you.
Yes, sir.
A man of God
Thank you, sir.
is not monitoring you.
Yes, sir.
Stop calling his name.
Yes, sir.
Let him be.
Yes,
He's
sir.
angry. Leave him.
Yes,
But
sir.
you are not cursed.
Amen.
But God prevented you from a danger,
That's true, sir.
a woman danger
That's true.
over there. You would have just end up in a marriage that was not planned.
That's true, sir.
God used that and push you out and don't return.
Yes, sir.
Because look at your age. Look at her age. Higher age
That's
than
true,
you.
sir.
Thank you.